So we have a solution of dopamine, and there's 308 milligrams of dopamine in 132 milliliters of solution. So in the entire 132 milliliters, there's 308 milligrams of dopamine. And that's being administered at a rate of 30 milliliters per 1 hour. And the question says, the first part says, find the flow rate in milligrams per liter. So here we have to play with units, or rather use dimensional analysis, where our final answer has milligrams in the numerator and hours in the denominator. So let's see what's given to us first. So we have 308 milligrams. We want that to be in the numerator because we have milligrams in the numerator, per 132 milliliters of solution. And the rate at which this solution is being administered is 30 milliliters per 1 hour. 30 milliliters per hour is the same as 30 milliliters divided by 1 hour. Now we want hours to be in the denominator and milligrams to be in the numerator, so we don't have to flip any fractions here. We just multiply the two, so that way we can cancel the milliliters and we are left with 308 times 30 milligrams of dopamine. The quantity of dopamine in the solution is given in milligrams, so that's milligrams per 132 times 1 hour. So we got exactly what we wanted. So we have milligrams in the numerator and hours in the denominator. All we have to do is simplify this expression. We go 308 times 30 divided by 132 mg, milligrams per hour. That's the rate at which dopamine is being administered at the given flow rate. And that's equal to, so a patient is prescribed 700 milligrams of dopamine. How long should the infusion last? So the units of time, we're measuring it in hours. So how many hours should the infusion last? So your final answer has hours as the units, and that should be in the numerator. So we know that the flow rate is 70 milligrams per 1 hour, and we're going to, the patient will need 700 milligrams of dopamine. Remember that our final answer is in hours, and we have to somehow cancel the milligrams and also make sure that the hours is in the numerator. So first, to begin with, let's flip this fraction. Instead of 70 mg per 1 hour, we're going to have 1 hour per 70 mg. It's the same thing. And now, if we want to cancel milligrams, we multiply it with 700 milligrams. And we do that to cancel the milligrams with the milligrams. So our final answer is in hours. So that's 700 divided by 70. The only unit left is in the numerator, and that's in hours. And that is equal to 10 hours.